Well, welcome to my channel. If you come here for electric scooters, I'm sorry to disappoint you. It's unlikely I'll be doing many more of those. Sold the ones I had a couple of years ago, and the focus now on the channel is going to be riding on a motorbike around Spain, different bits, not long distance, and a bit of sightseeing, a bit of drone shots, and seeing what's what. The bike here is a Royal Enfield Himalayan. I've just got it yesterday, brand spanking new, one of the very last 400s in the country. I've had a lot of motorbikes over the years. I started with a Honda CB175, then moved to the CB404, then a 1000cc Goldwing, a 1100cc Goldwing, then the revised 1100cc Goldwing. Then, let me just think about this, I had the 1200 Aspencade Goldwing, and after that, I sold that while we were in the UK. Came to Spain and didn't have any motorbikes for quite a long time. Then going back a number of years ago, I bought the 200cc Suzuki Bergman just to get back onto two wheels. Then a 650 Bergman scooter. After that, I had a BMW 1100 RT, which I didn't like. And then finally I had the 1500 Goldwing. Great bikes, great for long distance touring, crossing Europe, but I really don't want to do that anymore. I want to just poodle around more of the country roads and a bit of sightseeing and taking it a lot easier and having a bit more fun. So here's the motorbike. I'll give you a brief tour of it in a second. This is not going to be a review channel of Himalayans, but just to I'm using that as a means and what a fun means. So here it is in all its glory. I think I've got about 80 kilometres on the clock now, so very much in the running in phase. It's taking it steady, not revving it too much and not lugging it too much.